What's up, everybody? I got something that I'm pretty excited about in this video. My wife and I went to some garage sales the other day, and I found something that got me kind of excited because I was able to get it at a pretty good rate. There is a little bit of work I'm going to have to do to it to make it what I want it to be, but I'm going to show you what that is right here coming up. Okay, so what I found was this speaker box. It is a wedge shape, and it did have two speakers in it. And part of the reason I got kind of excited was because of this logo on the speakers. If you know anything about car audio and subwoofers, this JL Audio is a pretty good brand. A lot of people want JL Audio subwoofers in their vehicle. Obviously this box is a little bit old, and you can see there that the surround is gone on both of the speakers, but that appears to be the only issue that's happening with these. They move freely. I can push up and down on it. I can push it up from the bottom. Don't hear any grinding noises or anything like that. Seems to move freely on both of them. But part of the reason I was so excited about this deal is for these two JL Audio 10W0-4 speakers in the box. I only paid 30 bucks. So what I've done is I've ordered some refoaming kits for these, and when they come in, I'm going to be refoaming both of these speakers and see if we can restore them to their former glory, and hopefully they work and sound good. If they do, then I got a heck of a deal on this box and speakers, because each refoaming kit was like $8 online. So $8 for this speaker, $8 for that speaker, and 30 bucks for the box. I think that's a pretty good deal. For about 50 bucks, I'll have two JL Audio 10-inch subwoofers that I can put in my truck. Alright guys, I got this foam surround kit from Springfield Speaker. I ordered online. Also got a couple of the half-ounce glue bottles, so I've got 1 ounce total. They said that a half-ounce probably could do two 10-inch speakers without an issue, or possibly two 12s. Now this is the look that we're going for. I've got this foam surround just sitting on here right now. But here's the goal, is to get this foam glued to the speaker. I've got this speaker cleaned up fairly well, most of the old glue off. So I'm going to try to glue this foam on there, and hopefully it'll turn out good. Now the other one I haven't cleaned up yet. It's still right here. As you can see, it's got a bunch of junk around the edge and everything. This is what they both look like when I got them out of the box. But they do, like I said, they do move freely up and down. So I don't think that there's going to be anything wrong with these other than the foam. Okay guys, so I just got this one mostly cleaned up. All I did was use a chisel, and I went around the edge of the basket, tried to scrape off most of the glue and stuff that was there, and I lightly went around the cone surface here, trying not to damage it, and just kind of scraped around it like this. Got most of that off of there. So this is a fairly smooth surface. There's still a little bit of the old glue on there, but I think that'll be all right. And let me show you what I got the other one started. So I already got this one glued around the edge here. I did not glue it to the basket yet. As you can see there, it still lifts off. It says I used to wait about an hour for this part to dry before you try to do the edge. Some people do it a little bit sooner than that, but it is tacky and it's sticking to the cone really well. But I think I want to wait, for that to cure a little bit before I try to do the outside edge and get that centered on there. Hopefully I can center it without removing that dust cap. Some of the videos I've seen say you have to remove that dust cap. I really don't want to, because this is the original JL Audio dust cap on there on both these speakers, and I'm hoping I don't have to pull those off when I redo this in order to get these centered. Seen a couple videos that show that you can center them without doing that, so that's what I'm going to try. And I'm going to glue this one on here, and what I've got is this little glue. It came from Springfield Speaker. It's a black glue. Just spread a little bit around the edge here, and then I smooth it around with my finger, probably because if you've seen some of my other videos, I'm a little bit of a woodworker. So smooth the glue off just so you had a nice thin layer there, and then put the foam on it.
Let's give this a shot.
Hey guys, I wasn't able to record this on video, but I do have the subwoofers installed in the truck, and I want to show you that they do actually work, and they sound amazing. For the price of about $50, if you could find a deal like this where just the surround foam on the speakers is blown, I highly recommend you picking them up. Buy a new surround kit for like $8 to $10 with the glue and everything. You know, I'm into these two JL Audio subwoofers for less than $50, including the box, and I really love them.
So I added this section here so you guys could see that the subwoofers are moving. They are working. They do sound pretty good in the truck, but I didn't want to record the music and have it in this video because I didn't want to get copyrighted. So I'll let this play for a minute just so you guys can see that both speakers are working. I need to put the grill back on this one speaker on the right. Either that or take the one on the left off. What do you guys think? Should I put the grill back on this one or take the grill off the other one?